Accounts payable automation helps organizations replace manual invoice and payment processes with automated digital workflows, improving efficiency, accuracy, and control across accounts payable. One of the biggest benefits of AP automation is faster processing. By eliminating manual data entry and paper-based workflows, invoices move through approvals more quickly, reducing bottlenecks and cycle times. Automation also helps reduce costs by lowering processing expenses, minimizing late payment fees, and creating opportunities to capture early payment discounts, all while handling more volume without increased headcount. AP automation improves accuracy by validating data automatically and flagging duplicate invoices or unusual activity. This reduces errors and helps protect against fraud through stronger controls and audit-ready records. With real-time visibility into invoice status, cash flow, and liabilities, finance teams gain better insight and control over their accounts payable operations, supporting more confident decision-making. Finally, AP automation supports growth in modern work environments by enabling remote approvals, consistent processes, and scalable workflows that adapt as the business evolves. AP automation delivers measurable benefits by saving time, reducing costs and risk, improving visibility, and helping finance teams operate more efficiently and confidently as they scale.